Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I'm sharing with you my April Petit Vour box. I have noticed that since the crisis has occurred, my Petit Vour box has been taking a little bit longer to get to me, which is not a problem, but that will be why these videos are getting posted a little later in the month or early of the next month, just in case you were wondering. So let's go ahead and crack into this thing. I am excited. I've already opened and taken the tape off. So as always, we have our little Be Bold, Be Kind saying, very cute. And here is the art for this month. I love it. It's so cute. I have little cork boards in front of me on the wall because I'm sitting at my desk right now. And I always pin these up to the wall and save them if they're really pretty. And actually, I'm just realizing this one is glossy and the others are all matte finished. So there's a little detail. So let me read you the description for the April 2020 beauty box. With spring in full swing and summer right around the corner, we're starting to prepare for the warm weather. We're featuring powerful, high-performance products that are necessities for warmer temperatures and sunny days. This month, treat yourself to a kit of refreshing, non-toxic products. A protective and hydrating face oil duo for all skin types. A silky, smooth eyeshadow for natural color. A clean and powerful deodorant, that excites me, and a 100% natural origin mineral sunscreen with UV protection. So, I've heard some things in this description that I'm quite pleased about. You guys know I'm on a natural deodorant journey and failing hard. So whenever I learn of a new one, I'm excited to try it, although I will say I've got like a backlog in my, what am I trying to say? Medicine cabinet of ones that I have to get into and try because I have like a ton of them at this point. Yeah, so I'm very excited about that. So I'm gonna grab what I believe to be the deodorant first. Here is the product. Focus. Here we go. So this is from Rustic Maca, and it is called the Luna Bliss deodorant. Retails for $11. I am assuming this is the full size, 59 milliliters. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, that lid wasn't on very tight. Oh, it smells really nice. Baking soda free, natural deodorant, charcoal magnesium. I don't even know if it's actually scented or if that's just part of what goes into it, but it smells delightful. I gotta grab that lid. So let's read the description of this deodorant. Free of baking soda, aluminum, and synthetic fragrances, this natural deodorant is blissfully clean. Activated charcoal and magnesium effectively neutralize body odor while leaving you smelling fresh with a powder crisp scent and a hint of melon and jasmine. It smells fantastic, so I'm very excited to try this out. And this is a substantial size. I love that. I think because it's so affordable, it's only $11. They could give you the full size, which I like. Next, we have the sunscreen. Love Sun Body Mineral Sunscreen, 100% natural origin of total. That's worded weird. And it is 30 SPF. It's tiara and vanilla scent. I don't know what that is. But I believe this is a body sunscreen. At least I'll be using it on my body because it does seem like scent is a focal point here. So let's give it a smell. Ugh, the little seal is so tiny. Let me put it on my hand. Oh yeah, that smells really good. That vanilla scent is strong and delightful, not overbearing. Okay, so let's read about this. lightly scented sunscreen. This 100% natural origin mineral sunscreen provides the safest and highest quality of UV protection compared to normal sunscreen with SPF 30. The sheer lotion absorbs quickly for fast protection from the sun while leaving a light scent of tiare and vanilla. I don't know what that tiare smells like. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with that. 25 milliliters, and the sample is valued at $6, which means the full bottle is probably a little pricey, but if it's good, it's good. So I will try this next time we go out to do yard work, or if it decides to actually be nice outside so I can actually sit outside during the work day. That'd be so nice. It's not been very nice out lately. It's raining right now. There's a window right there, so I'm like looking out at the rain. Sad. But yeah, excited to try that. I love a sunscreen, and I love that kind of product in a box because I know I will always use it. So the next item is Swift Shadow RMS Beauty. This must be a full size. It retails for $20, and this is 2.5 grams. So I guess Swift Shadows is the line of shadows. Eyeshadow designed for easy application, long-lasting wear, and buildable color for any look. Made with wild harvested buriti oil and jojoba oil, this shadow will not dry out the lid like traditional formulas. So obviously not super jazzed about getting an eyeshadow on my box since I hardly ever even wear eyeshadow, but let's see if it's a pretty color at least. Little plastic off. So here's the color. It is a dark taupe looking color. The shade name is Tobacco Road TR-92. I guess I'll go ahead and do a swatch for you. It is very silky smooth to the touch. And it's a pretty color. This would probably be a decent one shade eyelid color, which is my jam because I hardly wear eyeshadow anyway. Let's see, is it gonna focus on that? It definitely looks lighter in the swatch than it does in the why am I losing my mind? Palette than it does in the container. Anyway, I am not super excited, but at least it is a really pretty neutral color. So there's that. I will actually probably give this color a try. And then the last item is actually two items, which is kind of excited, from Akar Skin. And I believe this is the same company that had sent a mist previously, like a toning mist, which I also really liked, but it's very expensive. So I don't know if it's something I would repurchase regularly, but I did really like it. So this is the Face Oil Duo Clarify and Soothe. This sample is valued at $36. So like I said, this brand is very pricey, and this is 7 milliliters of each product. A duo of powerful and lightweight oils, this duo absorbs into skin for a hydrated, youthful appearance. The Soothe Face Oil is safe for sensitive skin, while the Clarify Face Oil is perfect for problem skin of all types. Let's get into this. Love the little packaging, little dual packaging. It's very cute. So one bottle is darker than the other. The Soothe oil is a little lighter. The Clarify is a little darker. And I'm actually really excited to try these because I have liked my experience with this brand so far. So overall, the April box, I'm a fan. I mean, I'm not jazzed about an eyeshadow, but at least it's a really pretty colored eyeshadow. So there's that. And these oils, the deodorant, the sunscreen, this is all stuff I know I'm going to use, and I love getting stuff like that. Even if I don't end up liking it, I like getting products that I know I'm going to actually use and give a decent run to. So I loved it. Quite a fan. So thank you for tuning in for the April Petit Vour beauty box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.